Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dodge County and southeastern Wisconsin until 2 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Watertown, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Juneau, Hustisford, Lebanon,